dance. In the breeze, rivers sing with joy, and the skies smile upon the land. How beautiful you are! The trees breathe life, the water sparkle, and the winds whisper peace. Together, you are the melody of creation. My children bright, my heart's delight. You fill my days with pure sunlight. The grass is soft, the breeze is fair. There's laughter floating through the air. You shine, dear nature, with the light of harmony, nurturing everything with warmth and hope. I shine to make each glass face, to fill the world with golden rays. And when night falls, I blanket you with silver calm. Even in silence, your song continues. I watch the stars with silver eyes and whisper dreams across the skies. I carry your fragrance across mountains and seas. The rhythm of your breath fills the world. Whoosh, whoosh, I skip and play. I chase the clouds so far away. I am water. I sing my song through hill and it. I kiss presents to bloom again. We paint the world in red and gold. Stories, natures, the heart has told. This was a golden age when every drop, every creature lived as one. But time changed. Human ones, children of nature, forget her language. They took more than they give. They cut the trees, they clog the streets, they silence nature's golden dreams. Build more roads and dig the ground. Ha ha ha, air pollution. We love dust as smoke. We twist the sky in grey clock.